This self-employment tax would apply when 80% of the gross income of the small business is attributed to 3 or fewer professionals in a professional services corporation. We're talking about the smallest of the small businesses. This is a $9.1 billion hit on a small subset of small businesses engaged in a service trade. I wonder, the next time an offset is needed, will the Senate go after all the small businesses, changing the tax code the same way? My colleagues on the other side of the aisle call this a loophole closer or an anti-fraud provision. I assure you this is neither. These words are convenient labels my colleagues use to defend tax and spend policies. The Small Business Corporation provision is, however, a massive tax increase on small business. This new payroll tax on non-wage income would hurt the ability of small business to reinvest and to create jobs. At nearly 10% unemployment, I don't think the federal government's in any position to pursue job-killing tax increases. The original tax extender bill raised taxes on Wall Street bankers. But when lobbyists howled, lawmakers went looking someplace else, small businesses, for the revenue they needed. Small businesses aren't as able to defend themselves when the tax man cometh, and the end result's a new tax that robs David to pay Goliath. The outrageousness of this new tax led me and my colleague, Senator Olympia Snowe, the Republican from Maine, to file an amendment that would strike the S-corporation payroll tax from the underlying tax extenders bill. This seemingly small provision in the tax extenders bill would have a $9 billion impact. That's just on a subset of S-corporations, these small businesses. This payroll tax provision ought to be stripped and sent back to the tax writing committees where it can be addressed in the proper fashion. I strongly urge my colleagues to support the Snowe-Enzi amendment and our efforts to remove this misguided, outrageous new tax. And I think there is support on both sides of the aisle for doing that.